a beautiful thing. Oh. It's a chance you take, a chance your way. If someone's gonna find you, first you've got to let every thought love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over. Now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it starts. You might fall in love or lose your own heart. If you're not afraid of what you feel, then try to keep it simple. Try and keep it real. And if being real means you someday say goodbye, remember my friend, goodbye is not the end. It's a sure kind of love. Hello, the hardest part is over. Now it's easy to let it go. One hello is how it starts. Remember my friend, goodbye is not the end. It's a sure kind of love, and it starts with one hello. It starts with one hello. Thank you so much. Ayan. Tapos na yung parang kay Sir P, o yung para sa akin, wala.